deep in the heart of a modern industrial zone. The Black Bullhorn Leather Factory stands as a symbol of craftsmanship, precision, and luxury manufacturing. Every day, skilled workers and advanced machines come together to transform raw materials into premium leather goods admired around the world. This is not just a factory. It is a place where tradition meets innovation, and where every detail matters in the journey of creating luxury products. Massive shipments of rawhides arrive at the factory early in the morning. Each hide is carefully unloaded and inspected by experienced quality control specialists. Only the finest materials are selected for production. Workers examine the texture, thickness, flexibility, and natural grain of every piece. Any imperfections are removed to ensure only premium-grade leather continues through the manufacturing process. After inspection, the hides move into the cleaning and preparation area. Here, powerful industrial drums wash the leather thoroughly to remove dirt, oils, and unwanted particles. This cleaning stage is extremely important because it prepares the surface for future treatments. Workers carefully monitor water, temperature, and chemical balance to protect the natural strength and softness of the leather. The next stage is tanning, one of the most important parts of leather production. Inside giant rotating drums, the hides are treated with special tanning solutions that preserve the material and give it durability. This process transforms raw animal hides into strong, flexible leather that can last for years. The factory uses a combination of traditional tanning knowledge and modern technology to achieve premium quality results. As the tanning process continues, the leather slowly develops its rich texture and signature appearance. Skilled technicians constantly inspect the color and consistency of each batch. Timing is critical because even small changes can affect the final quality. The atmosphere inside the tanning department is filled with the sound of rotating drums and flowing water as the transformation takes place. Once tanning is complete, the leather enters the drying section. Huge drying tunnels remove excess moisture while preserving the leather's flexibility. Workers carefully hang and stretch each hide to prevent wrinkles or uneven surfaces. The drying process must be controlled perfectly, because too much heat can damage the material. While too little heat can slow production and affect texture, the next stage focuses on coloring and finishing. Advanced spray systems apply rich dyes evenly across the leather surface. From deep black tones to warm brown shades, every color is carefully selected to match luxury fashion trends. Multiple coating layers are added to protect the surface and create a beautiful shine that enhances the natural grain of the leather. Inside the embossing department, heavy industrial presses create elegant patterns and textures on selected leather pieces. Some products receive smooth finishes, while others are given detailed grain patterns for a more premium appearance. The embossing process requires incredible precision, because every design must be perfectly aligned to maintain consistency across all products. Now, the leather enters the cutting section, where precision cutting machines shape the material into product components. Computer-guided systems maximize efficiency while reducing waste. Workers carefully arrange templates to ensure the best use of every hide. Each cut must be exact, because even the smallest mistake can affect the final assembly process. Rows of skilled craftsmen sit at stitching stations surrounded by industrial sewing machines. Here, separate leather pieces are transformed into luxury wallets, belts, bags, jackets, and accessories. Every stitch is carefully placed to ensure durability and elegance. Some sections require hand stitching, allowing artisans to add a personal touch that machines cannot replicate. In the bag assembly area, workers combine multiple leather panels with soft linings, zippers, buckles, and metal hardware. Every detail is inspected during assembly to guarantee perfect alignment and smooth operation. The craftsmanship involved in creating luxury leather bags requires patience, skill, and years of experience. Nearby, another team focuses on premium leather belts. Workers attach polished metal buckles and carefully shape each belt edge for a clean finish. Edge painting machines apply protective coatings that enhance both durability and appearance. The result is a luxury accessory designed to last for many years. The jacket production department is one of the busiest areas in the factory. Large leather panels are carefully stitched together to create stylish, luxury jackets. Designers pay close attention to fit, comfort, and movement. Every zipper, button, and seam is tested multiple times to ensure premium quality before the jackets move to final inspection. As products near completion, they enter the polishing and finishing section. Workers use soft brushes and polishing tools to enhance the natural shine of the leather. Small imperfections are corrected by hand, and protective finishes are applied to improve resistance against moisture and wear. This final touch gives every product its luxurious appearance. Quality control inspectors carefully examine every finished item under bright inspection lights. They check stitching, accuracy, surface texture, color consistency, and hardware strength. Products that fail to meet strict standards are returned for adjustments. Only flawless items are approved for packaging and shipment. In the packaging department, luxury products are wrapped carefully inside protective covers and elegant branded boxers. Workers prepare shipments for stores and customers around the world. Each package represents countless hours of craftsmanship, precision, and dedication from the factory team. Behind every luxury leather product is a combination of advanced machinery and skilled human expertise. While technology improves efficiency and consistency, it is the experience of craftsmen that gives these products their unique character. Every worker inside the Black Bullhorn Leather factory plays an important role in maintaining the reputation of premium craftsmanship. The factory operates with strict attention to detail and continuous innovation. Engineers constantly upgrade machinery while designers explore new styles and finishes. This commitment to improvement helps the factory remain competitive in the world of luxury manufacturing. As the day comes to an end, the production lines slowly begin to quiet down. Thousands of premium leather products are now ready to begin their journey across the globe. From rawhides to luxury accessories, every stage of the process reflects dedication, precision, and craftsmanship. The Black Bullhorn Leather Factory is more than a manufacturing facility. It is a place where raw materials are transformed into works of art through skill, technology, and passion. Every wallet, belt, bag, and jacket tells a story of craftsmanship that continues long after the product leaves the factory floor. Thank you for joining this exclusive tour inside the Black Bullhorn Leather Factory. If you enjoyed watching how premium luxury leather products are made, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing factory documentaries and behind-the-scenes manufacturing videos from around the world.